make sure you blend it really nice and thin, but you don't want to be too thick, but also you don't want to be too thin, because too thick is going to flood your crystal. Also too thin is not going to be enough for your crystal. So I am going to using a no wipe top coat. So if you want to do crystal placement and neon pigment, so you want to make sure you apply the no wipe top coat first, so then later when you polish or you painted it, the pigment will not stain on the nails. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna give it a quick share for everyone. If whoever would like to watch, I might invite all of you. Just really quick. How everyone doing today? Saturday. Okay, I think I got it good. Okay. So, as you know that I always sharing with you is the frame bender. I did bend it earlier already, and let's move this one away, and I put it here on the bender and just use that little tool and give a little press. I did it earlier, prepared all of them, so it came out really nice and curved. Okay, so I'm gonna place the really cute frames right there. You can do right in the middle. I think I have the old vision of it, the pink one. Okay, let me move that one. Because I'm gonna do it, this one's gonna be a theme of neon. So I am going to place some colors of neons, and we can do this one and yellow and green, or yellow and blue. It works as well. I think yellows and blue, it looks stunning. Have that blue right there. Yeah, right there. I have the blue tray right there with me. This is like a, what's that, best friend? The best friend is the name of it. I did on purpose and pull it down to make it a little bit cool. And we're gonna do the gold beads and a gold frame and our next nails, okay? I wanna do one of the Chanfo foil, the newest one. Happy Easter to everyone. I'm gonna go home later. I'm gonna color the eggs with my kids. They was enjoy it when they was little. Now they older. So, but they still like it. I like it myself. if you place all the crystal like this and you don't want to place the beads on, I think the neon placement look cute already. This is a white opal raindrop. I really like that one. So great. If you're happy with this, we are gonna key this one for 60 seconds. And then we're gonna do some like pigments on the V line, really thin friend shape. I'm gonna wipe it up quick before you place them in. Great. Here, let me move it closer. Okay. I couldn't see closer. Okay. 60 seconds. We're gonna do all neons and frames and 4 different shape. So next one, we are going to, it's gonna be interesting though. I'm gonna using one of this. So make sure. Wow, everyone is so quiet. Okay, I'm gonna do this one, unless you wanna see this one. We can do this one. Looks stunning, and it will matching one of our colors. Or this one. This one looks good. Also, look at that one, everyone. So it's nice that it's clear and transparent. Okay, I have a hard time to pick which one. So I'm gonna leave it right here. I found another one, so we're gonna do it too. So it's gonna be really beautiful for spring. So now I am going to using precision glue. We can move that one so it doesn't look too busy right there. Oh, hello, mommy. Hi, Jasmine. I'm gonna check this one first before I'm painted it any gels on. I don't want to smear that, so I'm gonna make sure I secure this one great first. All the gaps and the cracks right there. Going to using my twin tip brush to blend this nicely. Layers. I am going to using the top coat to top it one more time. My brush. Okay, here for 60 seconds. This one right there too. Great. I just trying to fix the side of it to make sure, not fixing it like a blending it out. So you won't get lumpy, bumpy. I'm just so OCD with this. Do it for 60 seconds. Make sure you close this red cap so you won't spill it and accidentally. I am going to clean this my brush really quick. This here, I want to show some tip and trick to clean this one, not to fix this one. To fix this one, then you can using hot water, like the ones you can boil the teas with, like making a teas, like the same with Sarah was showing. I did sharing sometime a lot on the videos, and then sometime oh, Lulu Bui 30,000 follower giveaway is not conclusive. It's not done yet. It will be finished, I think, on the April the 15th. So you can go on to the post and see more detail for that. Great. So let me go ahead and using the New Year gel painting. Is so stunning. I'm freaking love this one. Is white, and I have a black and white colors available right now with the Precision brush. So I am going to. You are very welcome, Lulu. All right, so I'm gonna using this. Put it right there. Longer stripe. You can do how long, however you would like it, okay? Or how thin your friends look. It's really depends on your clients. And I would think it's depend on the length of the nails as well. So you want just enough. You don't want to be too thick. And it's really easy. Really easy to paint it, everyone. And the pigment is really stunning. I want to go deep in there. Great, so if you're happy with this, want to cure it for really 15 seconds. I will do 15 seconds because I'm going to do the pigments on this. Great.